Single cat syndrome, definition and support for your feline friend. Do you own a lone cat who appears to have iron paws ruling the roost? You may have single cat syndrome. But be not afraid. This is a word used to characterize specific behavioral features that might arise in cats who live alone without feline companionship. It is not a serious medical illness. Let's explore what single cat syndrome is and how you might help your animal companion. What is single cat syndrome? Behavioral traits that may appear in cats who are the only feline occupants in a home are referred to as single cat syndrome. Being a sociable animal by nature, living alone can occasionally cause certain behaviors that may appear strange or difficult to the cat and their human family. Single cat syndrome indications. 1. Overly attached. Your cat can get unduly devoted to you, needing your love and attention all the time. 2. Aggression. When a cat feels threatened, some cats with single cat syndrome may act aggressively toward other animals or even people. 3. Attention-seeking behavior. Cats with single cat syndrome may turn to attention-seeking behaviors, like knocking things over and meowing non-stop to make up for their lack of company. 4. Over-grooming. Cats may over-groom themselves as a stress or loneliness coping strategy. 5. Despair or anxiety. Cats can feel lonely, just as people can, and this loneliness might show up as anxiety or despair. Helping your cat. 1. Think about getting a companion. Your feline friend might benefit tremendously from company when you bring another cat into the home. To avoid problems, new cats must be introduced gradually and cautiously. 2. Interactive play. To give both physical and cerebral stimulation, play with your cat. Feather wands, laser pointers and puzzle feeders are some of the toys that can keep kids interested and occupied. 3. Make vertical space. Cats adore to climb and rest in high locations. Invest on cat trees, shelves, or window perches to provide your cat safe, vertical space to explore. 4. Create routine. Because cats do best when they are routinely fed, played with, and groomed, create a regular schedule. Anticipation can reduce tension and worry. 5. Environmental enrichment. To maintain your cat cognitively busy and interested, offer a plethora of engaging toys, hiding places, and scratching posts. Cats living alone may develop behavioral problems known as single cat syndrome. Although addressing these habits is crucial for your cat's health, even as a lone cat, you can assist your furry companion have a happy and meaningful life with patience, understanding, and the appropriate techniques. Because every cat is different, adjust your strategy to meet the particular requirements of your feline friend. Does this condition affect all cats? In the same manner that a sickness or disorder is a recognized medical condition, single cat syndrome is not. Rather, it's a term of description used by some animal behaviorists and veterinarians to describe specific behaviors that could arise in cats who live alone without other cats. Not every cat will display indicators of single cat syndrome. Like people, cats have distinct personalities and temperaments, and they might respond to living alone in quite different ways. While some cats might become used to being the only pet in the home and show no alarming behaviors, others might show symptoms of stress or loneliness. Whether single cat syndrome-like behaviors arise can be influenced by a cat's personality, prior socialization experiences, surroundings, and the level of stimulation and contact their human caregivers provide. Plenty of cats do well as lone pets, even though many are gregarious creatures who can profit from the company of other cats. Whether a cat lives alone or with other animals, their happiness and well-being depend on knowing and attending to their unique needs. Has the age or breed of my cat anything to do with this syndrome? Though age and breed of a cat have no direct bearing on how single cat syndrome appears, they can have an indirect effect. 1. Age. Older cats could be less able to adjust to changes in their surroundings, including the arrival of a new feline friend. They can nevertheless, gain from social contact and environmental enrichment to avoid feelings of loneliness or boredom. 2. Breed. While breed by itself has little bearing on whether a cat may have single cat syndrome, some breeds may be more prone to particular behaviors. For instance, some breeds, like Bengal or Siamese cats, are renowned for their outgoing and gregarious dispositions, and could become lonely or bored if left alone for long stretches of time. Generally speaking, though, Breeds like the Maine Coon are more independent and might be better suited for living alone. Cats of any age or breed can have their chances of acquiring single cat syndrome-like behaviors reduced by adequate socialization, enrichment, and companionship opportunities. Promoting your cat's general happiness and well-being requires knowing their unique needs and preferences. What can I do about this, as a cat owner? There are a few things you as a cat owner may do to deal with or stop behaviors that resemble single cat syndrome in your furry friend. Companionship. If you want to give your current cat company, think about adopting a second cat. To guarantee they get along and avoid disputes, new cats must be cautiously and gradually introduced. Interactive play. Using puzzle feeders, laser pointers, or feather wands, have regular interactive play sessions with your cat. Along with offering mental stimulation, this fortifies your relationship with your cat. Environmental enrichment. Give your cat climbing trees, window perches, hiding places, and scratching posts to make their environment interesting. To keep things interesting and avoid boredom, change out toys often. Routine. Set up regular feeding, playtime, and grooming times each day. Cats like routine, and following one can assist with stress and anxiety. Quality time. Whether you cuddle, groom, or just sit quietly together, make time each day to spend with your cat. Your cat needs you there and paying attention to him emotionally. Socialization. From an early age, expose your cat to a variety of people, animals, and settings. Later on in life, this can assist ward against fear and worry. Veterinary checkups. To track your cat's physical and emotional wellness, routine veterinary checkups are crucial. Your veterinarian can provide direction on handling behavioral problems and making sure your cat is healthy generally. Your cat may have a happy, fulfilled life, and you can help prevent or lessen single cat syndrome-like behaviors by following some proactive measures. As every cat is different, so be patient and watchful and adjust your strategy to meet the particular requirements and preferences of your pet. Is this illness also able to strike outside cats? Indeed, single cat syndrome can also manifest in cats who spend most of their time outside. If there isn't enough social interaction and environmental enrichment, outdoor cats can still feel lonely, bored, and stressed even if they may have more chances for exploration and stimulation. Particularly if they travel freely in their domain, outdoor cats might not have as many chances to socialize with other cats as do indoor cats. They might, nevertheless, develop social ties with other cats or animals in the neighborhood, which might lessen feelings of loneliness. Owners of outdoor cats can 1. Playtime, grooming, and loving gestures are all part of the routine engagement and attention that you give outdoor cats. 2. Provide a cozy, safe outdoor haven where cats may relax and take cover from the weather. 3. Offer outdoor enrichment including interactive toys, hiding places, and climbing structures. 4. To maintain their health and vigor, make sure outside cats have access to wholesome food and fresh water. 5. Watch outside cats for indications of stress, disease, or injury, and get medical attention as needed. Even if living circumstances for outdoor cats may differ from those of indoor cats, mental and emotional health should always come first. By giving their outdoor cats social connection, environmental enrichment, and routine care, cat owners can help avoid the emergence of behaviors resembling single cat syndrome and encourage their feline friends to lead happy outside lives. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.